తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీకి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఏదైతే చిత్తూరు మహిళా విభాగం అధ్యక్షురాలు లీలావతి మీదన ఒక అమ్మాయి తీవ్రమైనటువంటి ఆరోపణలు చేసుకొచ్చింది. ఏదైతే బొటిక్ వర్క్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి దాంట్లో ట్రైనింగ్ అన్నటువంటి పేరుతో చివరికి దారుణమైనటువంటి వేధింపులకు గురి చేశారు అంటూ ఆమె చెప్పుకొచ్చింది. తనేం మాట్లాడింది ఒకసారి విందాం.
In Vogue India. Hey, I am Anurupa and I have started this video because I want to share my story, my journey, that how I get scammed by two people in Chittoor. And the two peoples are, first I will take the name of Damanti Lilavati. She is a TDP woman president and her son Anush Chaudhary. So how I get connected with them, I will just tell in a short brief that I was very active in Vogue India. He connected with me in Vogue India while I was in Bangalore. And then from Bangalore, they have chased me that, okay, fine, we are going to give you accommodation and salary. So you don't have to be hesitant, you don't have to think a lot. You can shift and stay with us in Chittoor. Okay, so no second thought or second thinking, because as she is a woman president, I just pack my bag and I shift to in Chittoor. Okay, so the day when I interacted with them, I was expecting something very different, but how this started is so worst. They started my interaction with making me work of their household thing. First off, I thought that it should be 1 to 3 days work, but then it generally turned into a torture, a harassment, a physical harassment, a mental harassment, that they make me work for the entire home, entire household thing. They force me to do meals for 3 times. It's including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and sometimes I do morphing and sometimes I do shit things which I can't explain. After that, after some 20 days, when she got to know that I have a very good family background, my family is very healthy and wealthy, then she started fabricating that, okay fine, I will marry you and Anush can marry each other and then all of these things will be sorted out. She is having a financial crisis, a next level financial crisis, that she can pay the employees, the rent, the electricity, anything, and that's why she has started all this, putting me pressure and all. She made me work for till 11 o'clock night, till 2 o'clock, some Sundays also, without giving me any kind of over extra time payment. And after doing all these things, she tortured me in the home like a hell. Both of them, even Damanti Lilavati and Anush Chaudhary, both has tortured me a hell. Even the family, the whole entire family, always tell them that I'm a North Indian, I don't supposed to stay with them. They actually forced me to stay with them, and after that they has started all these things. So even the second point is like, being a woman president, when I'm about to leave the office, when I just give up. I just totally give up with the entire office. I just give up with her. I just give up with Anush. I just request them. I just say ki please mujhe PG chahiye. I just need a PG. I want to go from this home, this home. I need a PG. I just cried in front of them so many times. Her mom and her son is fighting for the PG because somehow they thought that I am not going to stay in the PG and they don't have to pay the extra money. But I have chased them, no, you have to pay. So after that they paid my PG rent and I moved from that home to the PG. The PG was absolutely under construction and it's very bad. It's very, very worst PG I have ever stayed over there. In that uncomfortable situation, every day I come to the office, they force me for the things has not been sold as whatever I made, because all the pieces are very designer and exclusive. All the Indo-Western garments I have made, so it will take so many times to thought that I have put into it. And after that, they are telling me, if you don't sold all these dresses, okay, if you did not sold, you can't leave the office. You have to take you have to do all this. You have to also take care of the sales part. Like seriously, मैं वहाँ पे सिर्फ डिजाइनिंग करने गई थी, मैं ना सेल्स देखने गई थी ना। तो
డిజైనింగ్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి వ్యవహారాల గురించి పిలిచి ఆ పైన సేల్స్ కూడా చెయ్యాలని వేధిస్తూ, తను ఆల్రెడీ వెల్ సెటిల్డ్ ఫ్యామిలీ నుంచి ఉద్యోగం కోసం అని చెప్పి మహిళ పిలిచింది కదా అని వస్తే దారుణంగా వేధించారు అంటూ చెప్పుకొస్తుంది. బట్ ఇట్లాంటి వాటికి సంబంధించి ఎవరు పట్టించుకునే పరిస్థితిలో ఉన్నారా అంటే డౌటే.